Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload PDF from CamScanner to Google Drive, right? So the easiest method right here is by using the mobile app. So mobile app first, after that, we're using PC. For the mobile app, just tap on the specific PDF, tap on it, tap on share, and then go to find more right here in this share section. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, make sure that you have Google Drive installed, and then just tap on Drive right here. Now go ahead and give it a name, then the location where you want it to be saved. All right, so let's say I'm just going to select my drive or my whole drive, upload. And once you hit on upload, of course, there will be some ads. So just watch it, finish it, and then once that's done, you should be good to go. Now let's go ahead and check our Google Drive right here. Under my drive, we should be able to see the blank PDF. All right, so I added 934. It's 935 right now. So again, for PC, let's go ahead and open up the PC app. Now you can go ahead and download it manually. For example, if this was the PDF, you can right click and download it and download as a PDF. Download, save it on your desktop. I'm just going to click on yes, as I already have it right here. Now go ahead and open up your Google Drive, click on new, file upload, and then PDF open, just like so. And that's how simple it is to upload PDF from CamScanner to Google Drive. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.